Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare CBD versus anxiety. We'll explore what CBD is, a compound derived from the cannabis plant that doesn't cause a high. We'll also touch upon anxiety, a widespread mental health condition impacting countless individuals. Many people are now seeking natural alternatives to help manage their anxiety symptoms, and CBD has emerged as a popular topic in this discussion. Let's dive into the details. CBD is thought to interact with the body's endocannabinoid system, which plays a role in regulating mood and stress responses. This interaction may help to calm the nervous system and reduce feelings of anxiety. While more extensive research is ongoing, preliminary studies and anecdotal evidence suggest that CBD could offer a natural way to find relief for some individuals. Remember, effects can differ greatly from person to person. Before incorporating CBD into your routine, it's crucial to speak with a doctor, especially if you are taking other medications. CBD can have potential side effects, such as feeling drowsy, experiencing a dry mouth, or even mild diarrhea. Furthermore, the CBD market is not fully regulated, meaning product quality and the accuracy of ingredient labels can vary significantly. Always prioritize your health and safety. When considering CBD, it's essential to make an informed decision. Look for reputable brands that provide third-party lab testing results to ensure product purity and potency. Start with a very low dose and slowly increase it until you find what works best for you, always monitoring your body's response. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Ultimately, your choice should align with your personal health goals and medical advice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.